Every object on your page is in a stack. Now, for the more technically minded among you, this is also called the object's z-order. For example, every object has an x and a y coordinate on the page, and also a z-order, which describes which object is on top of which. For example, you can see this easily if we zoom in on the top part of this page. You can see that the word Hansel and Petal are both on top of this green ampersand. I'm going to press W to go into preview mode, and that'll hide all those frame edges. That's a lot easier to see. You can really see the order of these different objects now. InDesign offers a number of options for changing that stacking order. For example, I'll select that green ampersand there, and I'll go to the Object menu and choose from the Arrange submenu. There's 4 options here: Bring to Front, Bring Forward, Send Backward, and Send to Back. Let's start with the first, Bring to Front. You can see that it came all the way to the front of the stacking order. Now, this object does have a little bit of transparency applied to it, so you can sort of see through it to the text underneath, but it is obviously sitting on top of all those other objects. Now, what if we want to put it behind the word Hansel? Well, I'll go to the Object menu and choose Arrange, and then choose Send Backward. Nothing happened, right? Well, it doesn't look like something happened, but it really did. This is a very important thing to understand about stacking order. The stack of objects is spread wide. So when I move this back a layer, it did move behind something, but not necessarily what I wanted it to move behind. It may have moved it behind these objects over here, or maybe this text frame down here. I really don't know. So in this case, if it's important to me that the word Hansel be on top of the ampersand, it's going to be more reliable to select that text frame, go up to the Object menu, and choose Bring to Front. Now that's on top of the ampersand's on top of Petal, and I don't know the rest of the stacking order on this spread. So what would be really cool is if we could get a list of all the objects on the page in order so we could quickly see what's in front of what. Illustrator has actually had that feature for years as part of its Layers panel. And you know what? It's a brand new feature on InDesign CS5 too.